My name is Andres Ayesta, a registered sports dietitian and online nutrition coach, passionate about helping you optimize the way that you live, the way that you perform, focusing on one area of your life, which is your nutrition. See, my job as a registered dietitian and nutrition coach is to help you connect the knowing with the doing. There's not a lack of information out there. What there is a lack of human connection, and to be able to work with somebody that cares about what you're trying to accomplish and to deliver results in an evidence-based approach. From pro athletes to stay-home moms to fitness junkies, CrossFitters, I've had the privilege to coach hundreds of people just like you accomplish your results and create a transformative change, not only physically, but also internally from the perspective of your mind, your emotional state, and creating habits that can last.